everyone and welcome to Quick Solution. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can add a custom location on Snapchat. So for the purpose of this video I'm just going to take a quick photo right here right now. And as you can see right here at the right corner of the page, we have a list of icons and tools for our Snapchat. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit the icon with the piece of paper right here, the third from the top. And as you can see right here, you have this option to add a location, and we are going to hit on that location icon. So as you can see right here, you can search for a place that you want to add, and you have some suggested places from Snapchat. But what you have to do right here is just select this option, suggest a place, and right here we will enter the name of the location or the maybe place that we want to add to our Snapchat, the category like a hotel, restaurant, shopping mall, etc., and then give the full address, phone number, website if it is the case, and then we can submit that to Snapchat. And basically what you're doing here is just a place, suggest Snapchat to add a place on the application to use that as a location. So guys, this is all for today. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.